friends, this is a book about food colors. So it's my book of food colors, and it's all about fruits and vegetables. And it talks about colors of fruits and vegetables. This is about pears. I had a pear for lunch today. It was really good. Pears are green. Apples are red. But if you don't like red apples, what other colors could they be? There's other choices. There's yellow, there's green. Blueberries are blue. Pumpkins are orange. Grapes are purple, but they can also be green. Acorns are brown. That's what the word says. Corn is yellow. And it says, this book belongs to, and practice writing your name. Give it your best try and just keep practicing. That's how we get better at something, is practice, practice, practice. Enjoy the book. Bye, friends.